Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to install Git CLA in Windows machine. So for that, you just open your Chrome browser and type Git Bash downloaded and you will get a Git install for Windows. Click on that. Once you click on that, so you will see that installer downloader. For based on your operating system, you have to download your Git Bash. So I'm going to download for 64 setup. When it has been installed, you can able to see your download status here. Once you download it, you just to open your download wherever it downloaded. So it's been downloaded now. Click on Git Bash 64-bit. Click on yes. And next, and the default path will be there for program file under the Git folder. Select next, and you can bring for shortcut for desktop as well. You can select it here. Next. So now it's getting installed now. Now it has been installed now. So bring launch. Yes. So you'll get a full note, and as well as you'll get a for one command line interface. This is for Git Bash. If you are not able to find out, you just come here and type for Git Bash, so you will get it, and you can open for Git Bash. Afterwards you can start using for your Git Bash. So I'm just giving for command, so such a way we can use it for Git Bash. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.